Gambula looking a picture, and this is the drone giving you almost a bird's eye view, climbing to a great height, giving us a beautiful picture of not just the Dambula cricket ground, Rangiri Dambula Stadium, but the surrounding areas too. Relaxed looking dugout for Jaffna with 120 for 2 with 6 overs left. Lower delivery, but hit with a lot of power, just can't penetrate. Milan Ratnayake has taken a lot of pace off. He's not just run in and bowl, but he's been very clever. Not look to give pace on, but pace off most of the time.
And the lines have to be outside the off stump, nothing straight to Ibrahim Zadran. I think taking a look at the wind blowing across mid-wicket area have become very easy to Ibrahim. So the lines, I'm pretty sure Milan will be outside the off stump.
That time it was a fairly wild swing, looking to go somewhere over mid-on. The length just back, and the ball didn't really arrive, though it was a little bit quicker. Zadran completely missing it.
The previous delivery, it was a leg cutter. This occasion, little off cutter. Little too early to the stroke by Ibrahim Zadran. And he had the right mindset to target the long on or the deep mid-wicket area.
Through the offside, there is a fielder. A well-set field, no deep extra cover, but a deep backward point and a long off. And the 3 others are on the leg side boundary. But now with the left-hander on strike, Chamindu Wickramasinghe, the leg side gets strengthened. So Milan Ratnayake coming round the wicket, looking to bowl straighter rather than going outside the off stump to the left hand. In fact, now he's coming back over the wicket. We've spoken about this cross breeze. So Chamindu Wickramasinghe can favour the offside, might look to go over extra cover with that cross breeze.
That's nicely done. Nicely done. Floating slow delivery way outside the off stump, and the length was perfect. In this over, 4 deliveries, 4 slower deliveries. A couple of them off cutters, a couple of them leg cutters. And that's a delivery that Milan Ratnayake has developed recent past. He always bowled the leg cutter into the pitch. But he understands to survive in T20 cricket, you've got to have different methods. As being a seam bowler, bowling 125, 130, pace is not his friend, but certainly the variations can be.
Well, it was a slow bouncer and gets the result. Chamindu Wickramasinghe, I beg your pardon, waited for it. Milan Ratnayake again into the pitch, pace off. Wickramasinghe had to wait and eventually manages to hit it over the keeper.
Slow ball bouncer. Nothing that Milan Ratnayake could have done better. Ball actually dipped. One bouncer for the over called by the umpire as well. You've got to be unpredictable as possible being a bowler, especially bowling to players like Chamindu Wickramasinghe, who's quite powerful as a player. Full toss and over extra cover. Valiant attempt. Probably the wind taking it away from the extra cover field, resulting in a couple of runs to end Milan Ratnayake's 15th over. It's 127 for 2.